Alright, today I'm going to translate for you Destiny by Flavour off his Blessed album. So I'll play it off my phone and I'll translate the Igbo parts for you. Akalaka. Akala is line. Aka is hand. Akala aka. That's the lines on your hand. And at the end means mine. So akalaka means destiny in Igbo. But the real meaning is the lines on your hands. Like each person has a different one. It's not the same, but it's a term for destiny. Akala aka. Akalaka. So you might hear akaraka. Akaraka mo means my destiny. Odinaka chuku. It o means it. D is na aka chuku. It is in the hands of God. Odinaka y. Mwa e. Mwa is the child, which is Jesus. He's saying Odinaka chuku. Odinaka y. E is just he just added that for singing. His singing effects. Onye who ma knows. Echi. Echi is tomorrow. Onye mechi. Who knows tomorrow? Maka na means because that abum mwa china melu. Maka na abum mwa china melu. If there's a na in there, if you don't speak Igbo, just know there's a na, then melu, ne melu. Abum mwa china melu. I am the child that God is doing for, like God is helping. That's what it means. Makanambu wa chinemelu. So just know, Makana abum wa chinemelu. I am the child that God is helping. Maka Jesus ebunumenu. Maka because Jesus ebunimum. Bune is lift. Wum is a way of saying has done something. For example, ebunum has mean he has lifted. Mu is me. Anu is higher. Because Maka Jesus ebunumenu. Because Jesus has lifted me higher. And then after that, it's higher, higher, higher. Obunumenu means he has lifted me higher. And higher, higher, higher. Onye keru wa banumenu. Onye is who? Kere is create. Uwa is the world. Abanimum. Abanye is to lift up. Abanimumenu. So who created the world has lifted me higher. So it's basically saying God has lifted him higher again. Obunumenu. So he has lifted me higher. Enu, elu, enu. Depends on your dialect. Enu. You can also say obunumenu. You can also say obunulamenu. Obunigomenu. Obuniguemenu. It all depends on your dialect, but he has lifted me higher. Osimu guba egunu. Osimu. He told me guba Kuegu is to sing. Nu is like to intensify. Osi nu guba egu nu. He told me to sing. Akalaka mo, my destiny. His Flavour saying his destiny is to sing. Flavour guba egu nu means Flavour sings. He's a singer, obviously. He's saying God has helped him. This is his destiny to sing and be a musician. Inachuego means you're wanting money. Inachuego. And it says chukugide. Like it means keep on wanting the money. Pursue it, like chase after the money. Ndi Bona Bambo means Igbo people are trying. Bambo means to strive, like to try hard. Like you ever hear Inabalia means like you're trying. Inabambo means you're striving. You're saying Igbo people are working hard, they're striving. Then Basibe no Ike means keep on trying hard. Ifunwa na to Yari means like the things of the world, like they move, they turn around. And Ifunwa turn by turn, like you basically repeated it. Check. At this part he says, Onye or yeah, we beefing. When it arrives to you, you have to eat it well. Onye rule. Wait, let me rewind. Yeah, like shakano. Like that means yeah, like track. It's like have fun. When it's your turn, go and have fun. It says nke onye jikwa kiseke means what you have, the thing that you have, hold on tight, keep on trying. Jisike means like keep on striving, like persevere. Maka na o dadi gide means because it doesn't last forever. And me I they take them serious it means like serious I think it's like slow, it's like softly or whatever. Slow, gently, I don't know. Maka Jesus e bunu man. And basically repeats the same things for the rest of the song. That's it. Hope you like it.